Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get free credits in Lovable AI. All right, so let's begin with the video. First, open up Lovable AI on your device. Once the platform loads, look at the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. After clicking on the profile icon, select the settings option from the menu. When the settings page opens, go to the plans and credits section. Here you will be able to see your current plan and available credits. From this section, click on the upgrade button if you want to move to the Pro plan. Now, here's how the free credits work. Lovable sometimes runs special events or promotions where they provide extra free credits to users. For example, they may run something like the Lovable Advent Calendar, where certain days provide promo codes that give additional credits. During these events, you might see a promotional code, such as Advent 100. To use it, go to the checkout page when upgrading your plan. On the checkout screen, you will see an option that says Add Promotional Code. Click on Add Promotional Code, type the promo code provided during the event, and then click Apply. Once applied successfully, the system will add extra free credits to your purchase. These credits will be added alongside the credits included in your plan, giving you additional usage without paying extra for those credits. Keep in mind that these codes are usually available only during specific events or promotions, so you'll need to check if Lovable currently has any active offers. And that's it. So that's basically how you can get free credits in Lovable AI. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.